Thanks so much for your time today. I'm excited to introduce you to eJukebox, a premium, fully licensed music solution built specifically for venues like yours. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how the right music, professionally curated by real people, creates a sense of warmth the moment your customers walk in, keeps them comfortable, and ultimately helps them stay longer and spend more. And I'll show you how we do all of that for one simple flat price that beats what you're most likely paying now. Let's start with why this matters. Music isn't just background noise, it's a core part of your customer's experience. 97% of venues recognize that their customers want to hear music. But here's a figure that should really grab your attention. 90% of customers say that bad music has made them leave a venue or vow never to return. That's an enormous number of people walking out the door over something that is completely within your control. Get the music right, and you protect every single one of those visits. And it isn't just about keeping people in the room, it's about revenue. Independent research from the One Music Hospitality Presto report found that venues with music enjoy over 48% more in sales than venues without. In pubs specifically, weekday sales lift by 21% when music's playing. So, when you weigh up the cost of a music solution, frame it against numbers like these. The right music doesn't cost you money. It pays for itself many times over. So how does eJukebox actually work? At the heart of it, we install a small, smart player right there at your venue. So your music is always on, always local, and always under your control. Every channel it plays is hand-built by professional music directors, never by an algorithm. It's fully licensed for business, so you've got complete peace of mind, and it's genuinely stress-free. In fact, we can manage the whole thing for you, changing the music automatically as your day unfolds. Let me show you what makes it special. Here's something that really sets us apart from the streaming-only services. With eJukebox, the music plays from a compact player installed at your venue, not just streamed down from the cloud. Why does this matter? Because if your internet drops out, and we all know it happens, the music keeps playing without missing a beat. The device itself is small, it uses the latest solid-state technology, and is surprisingly affordable. There's just a one-off cost to install it, and after that, you're set. And if you'd ever prefer a streamed version instead, we offer that too. But the on-site player is what keeps your venue sounding flawless day in, day out. Here's one of the things we're proudest of. A lot of services, for example Spotify or other soundtrack providers, lean on algorithms. A computer tries to guess which songs belong together, and the result can drift into repetitive or unfamiliar tracks. We do the complete opposite. We call them channels, not playlists, because every single one is hand-built by professional music directors, real people who live and breathe music and know exactly what belongs together and in what order. The flow is so natural, you'll never feel the need to skip a track. This connects to something we feel really strongly about. We never want to alienate your customers. The quickest way to make someone feel out of place is to play music they don't recognize. So our focus is squarely on songs most people already know and love. In fact, we carry every song a commercial radio station plays. That familiarity creates a genuine sense of warmth the moment somebody walks in. And at the same time, we keep an enormous variety going, so you get the comfort of recognition without ever hearing the same handful of tracks on repeat. Music shouldn't sound the same at 9 in the morning as it does at 9 at night. And with eJukebox, it doesn't. We use something called dayparting, the right songs intelligently scheduled for the right time of the day. Light, uplifting tunes to open the morning, energetic tracks through the midday rush, and upbeat vibes for the evening crowd. And just like everything else we do, the scheduling is guided by real people who understand how a room's energy shifts through the day. It's never simply left to a machine. Now, here's a feature your team will love, because it means less work for them, not more. We can manage your music for you, automatically changing the channels at set times throughout the day, so nobody behind the bar even has to think about it. The system simply adapts to the rhythm of your venue. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a rooftop bar looking out over the Sydney Harbour Bridge. As the evening sets in, eJukebox automatically rolls into smooth, sophisticated cocktail and dance music, the perfect soundtrack to that view. It lifts the whole mood and it keeps people lingering, and it sells a lot more drinks. That's the power of the right music at exactly the right moment, and we handle all of it for you. Now let's talk about cost, because this is where eJukebox really shines. Most music providers charge you a separate fee for every area, every zone in your venue. A separate charge for the bar, another for the bistro, another again for the beer garden, and so on. It adds up really fast. With eJukebox, you can run up to 5 separate zones, each with its own channel, for one single flat fee. No surprises and no per zone charges. One price covers your entire venue. For a lot of venues, that difference on its own makes us dramatically cheaper than what they're paying today. Here's a feature that customers absolutely love and that competitors often charge extra for. With eJukebox, your patrons can request songs straight from their own phones. They get to be the DJ for the night, but, and this is the important part, you stay completely in control. From the admin page, your staff decide exactly what can be requested, either your entire music library or just the channel that's playing right now. So every request still fits the mood that you set. It's the best of both worlds. Your customers feel involved and your venue never loses its vibe. And of course, it's all included in your flat monthly price. If you'd like to take that experience even further, we offer an optional touchscreen that mounts right on your wall, very much like the self-order screens you've used at McDonald's. Your customers can walk up, browse and request their own songs directly from the screen. It's interactive, it's modern, and gives your venue a real point of difference that gets people talking. It's a fantastic way to get your customers engaged with the room and having fun. And here's one more thing the wall screen can do for you. It isn't only for song requests. It has a built-in screensaver. Whenever the screen is sitting idle, it can run a slideshow of your photos, and uploading them couldn't be simpler. You use the very same admin app that runs your music, so anyone you authorize can add or swap images in seconds. For a function, that might be a slideshow of family or guest photos at an engagement or birthday. For a pub or club, it's a brilliant piece of advertising space. Rotate your own promotions, drink specials, or upcoming events right in front of your customers. The music app and the screen work hand in hand, so it's all controlled from the one place. Now, this is a feature that really turns heads. Right inside the admin page, anyone you authorize, your own staff, or even the person running the function for the night, can record their own voice announcements using nothing more than their mobile phone, a tablet, or a computer. Think happy hour callouts, drink specials, or a shout out at an event. The recording plays straight after the current song finishes, so it lands naturally. And here's the clever bit. The system has built-in swearing detection, so any explicit language is automatically removed before it goes to air. Best of all, modern phone microphones are very close to broadcast quality these days, so your announcements come across sounding clear, warm, and genuinely professional. eJukebox is also brilliant for functions and events, and that's a real moneymaker for your venue. When you've got an engagement party, a birthday, or a corporate night booked in, you can give the person running the function their own access to the admin page for the evening. From there, they can skip songs, line up exactly the right music, and when it's time for speeches, have the music stop cleanly at the end of the current track, so there's never an awkward fade out. It makes your venue an easy yes for event bookings, because the host feels completely in control of the night. A few things that give you genuine peace of mind. First, eJukebox is fully licensed for commercial use. A lot of venues don't realize that personal services like Spotify or Amazon Music are actually against their own terms of service to play music in public. So, with us, you're always on the right side of the law. Second, every track is clean, no swearing, no explicit lyrics, safe for families of all ages. And third, every song goes through broadcast quality processing, so the volume stays consistent. None of those jarring jumps where one song blasts and the next disappears. It's a polished, professional sound from open to close. Now, I want to be straight with you here, because credibility matters. The other established providers are genuinely good at fundamentals. They use human curation, they're fully licensed, and most install an on-site player like we do. So the music keeps playing if the internet drops. On those essentials, we're right there with them. Where eJukebox pulls ahead is on value and on what's included. With us, up to 5 zones are covered by one flat fee, where most rivals charge per zone or only quote on request. Customer song requests, the interactive request and photo screen, and voice announcements between songs. With eJukebox, the ongoing service for all of those is built into your monthly price. With the others, those are typically paid add-ons or separate products. Now, to be clear and upfront, there's a one-off hardware cost either way. That's the on-site player, and if you choose to add the touchscreen, that screen too, exactly as you'd expect. But once it's in, the ongoing features are all included. Same strong fundamentals, but far more included in the monthly price, and for one honest flat fee. So how do you get started? We make it genuinely risk-free. We'll come in and install the complete eJukebox system at your venue, and we cover the cost of the hardware and the installation ourselves. Then you run the whole thing free for a full month. That's the on-site player, all your channels and zones, song requests and voice announcements. The complete package, live in your venue with your own customers for 30 days at no cost and no obligation. It's the best possible way to experience the difference. Not a demo, but the real system working in your venue. If you love it, and we're confident you will, you simply continue. So that's eJukebox. Music that's always on, installed right at your venue, so it never skips a beat. Channels built by real people, not algorithms. Up to 5 zones, song requests, voice announcements, and an interactive screen, all included in one simple flat price that comes in cheaper than the alternatives. And if you like it, we'll manage the whole thing for you. Best of all, I'd love to set you up with a free 1-month trial where we install the complete system at no cost so you can hear the difference for yourself. You can reach me at any time at info@ejukebox.com.au. Thank you so much for your time, and let's transform the sound of your venue together.